Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Joyce McTeer and welcome to another DIY Monday. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be dressing up the bangle. So this is a bangle. I'm probably not saying it right, y'all, but I'm going to say bracelet. That we're going to be adding. We're going to be doing some wire. We're going to do a wire wrap technique using these 14 millimeter wood beads. Now, you all don't have to use 14 millimeter wood beads. You can use any size beads that you would like. But in order for you to achieve the look that I am going to have, you are going to have to use 14 millimeter beads. So here are the items that you are going to need for this DIY. You're going to need your wire cutters, your flat nose pliers. You're going to need about 12 or 13 14 millimeter beads, wood beads. You're going to need some 20 gauge wire, okay? And cut your wire at least, I want to say 18 inches long. And you're going to need a bracelet or a bangle. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the very first thing that you want to do is you want to get yourself a bangle or bracelet, something that is round and something that is going to be comfortable with your wrist, okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 20 gauge wire and we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all how I am going to do this. I'm going to do a couple of them to show you, and then I'm going to come back because I don't want the video to be too long. So what we do is we just take our 20 gauge wire, we put it up against our bangle or bracelet, and then we start wrapping it. Okay, just like this. So that's what you're gonna have. Don't worry about this piece right here. This piece right here is the piece that you're going to be using because you're going to have to have something to hold on to while you start. So then you're going to put it through again, and we're just going to be doing 2 wraps at a time. Normally sometimes I do 3, but we're only going to do 2. Okay, so we're going to take this through one more time and pull it through. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, my camera was getting ready to fall on me. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to take our bead. Actually, I got to take off this robe. That's everything is. We're going to take our bead and we're going to slide our bead down onto our, so I have a whole lot of wire. Slide it all the way down till we get to the top. And then once we get to the top, we're going to pinch it just like this. And then we're going to take this piece and pinch this piece down just like that. And we're going to push this piece through and wrap it twice. So as you can see, I have 1, and this is going to be my second one, and that's going to be 2. Okay, so I have 2 wraps, 1, 2. Then I'm going to go ahead and start off and do another bead, and I'm going to show you again. We're going to put our bead on our wire, bring it all the way down, and then we're going to push this up and bring this to the side. Okay, and then we're going to pinch this down just like that, and we're going to wrap it, push it through the bangle, and grip it as tight as you can get it. Okay, so this is the first one, and then we're going to do it one more time, and this is 2. okay? And you're going to do that to the whole entire bangle. Now, as you're going around, you want to make sure that your coils stay nice and tight together, okay? So I'm going to do one more. This is number 3. Bring it all the way down. Bring this up. Pinch this. Just like that. And if you want to, you can add more coils. You can do 2, you can do 3 instead of doing 2. And then, because you want it to like sit, sit like on the side, like that. Then you want to pinch this piece like that. Push this through. Like that. So that's 1. Bring it again, that's 2. Okay. And this is what you're going to have. So I'm going to go ahead and do as many, and then I will be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so as you can see, I did my wire wrapping all the way around. And so far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This one is going to take 14 beads, okay? So I'm going to do my very last one to make sure you all have the concept. I'm going to put it on. Better one. Bring it all the way down. You're going to, this is what you're going to do. You're going to pinch it like that. You're going to pinch it to this side. And then you're going to bring this piece right here, pinch that in, and just wrap it 1, and then 2. Now, since we have a space right here, I am going to find a little bead, and I'm just going to put something in between here because I don't want the space to stay open. So I'm going to see, I'm going to put this one in between where the space is. So I'm going to put this down like this. Sorry, y'all. I want y'all to see what I'm doing. Pinch it. And I'm going to cut this piece right here off, which I should have did that first. But I'm going to snip that off. Just like that. Go in with my flat nose pliers. Squeeze it in. And then I'm going to take and put this on. Okay, and then just wrap it around a couple times. I'm going to actually do this piece more than twice. I'm going to do it like 3 times. Pull it up. Okay. And then I'm going to take and snip off my excess here in the back. And take my flat nose pliers and squeeze that down. Okay. And here we have our bangle. Now I'm going to show you, ladies and gentlemen, 2 more that I made. These are the last 2 that I made. I mean the last 2. This was the first one I did. If you guys can remember back, if you ladies and gentlemen can remember back, I did a wire wrap earring using these same wood beads, but this is a bracelet. And I think that this is just too cute. So I made this one, this one and this one. Okay. It's like stackable. They're really, really cute. So I want to thank you all for joining me for this morning's DIY. And you all have a wonderful and awesome Monday. And yeah, y'all have a wonderful and awesome Monday. And I appreciate everyone who has decided to take this here journey with me. Y'all have a wonderful day. Peace and blessings. See ya.